Let's print this Vald 3D figure. Slicing. 3D resin printing. Still sticky and dirty. Remove from plate. First, water cleaning. Second, Elegoo cube cleaning. Third, curing with the UV machine. Last, hand sanding and cleaning. Remove last particles. Solidify the inside. Let's finally spay our figure. Sun drying. A bit of hand paintings. Capture each details. Dry brushing. Love that technique. Let's see if everything stick together. Ice brown. Beard. Accessories. Clothes. Almost done. Final. What do you think about it? Share and subscribe.